This is Ankway. It's a security surveillance camera. It is IP rated and waterproof for outdoor, indoor use. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box. The solar panel, tweezers for the SD card, bracket, cable, precision Phillips screwdriver, hardware, more hardware, the camera, and the mounting bracket. These are APN cards located here with the username and password. A template to install, instruction guide, and information. With the hardware, bracket, solar panel, and the bolts, place on a bolt with the Phillips screwdriver, align up, adjust the bracket to the sun, and tighten down one of the bolts and the other. With the length of cable and USB-C, this plugs into the main unit. Down below, you have a bracket that goes into the back of the unit, like so. With the 4 plastic and metal thumb bolts, lock down each of the bolts after placing on to the area you need to put your camera up high and out. The QR symbols are going to be scanned by the phone of your smartphone and ready to hook up. You take the SIMS card. It goes into one of the slots on here. If ever need to pull out, grab the tweezers and pull out. We're going to set this up in a few minutes outside and show you a demonstration at nighttime how this camera works. I'm going to show you how it hooks up to a smartphone. Turn on the camera by the switch. Download U-Box. Follow the instructions. The first time used, you can plug in the USB-C cable and charge the unit up via its charging port. There is an on and off switch. Turn the unit on. There'll be a green indicator light on here. You can press it once. With the app open, you can start to set up your unit. Set up Wi-Fi device or 4G device.
Insert the SIM card, install the camera, install the antenna, then power on the device. The blue LED will light up. After about 1 minute, click Next.
And we're hitting it in. Very simple to follow. Scan your code in.
Payment information received.
Press Next. And we're all set up just like that. And we need to peel the plastic film off so this way you can get a crisp, clear shot. And we have information that you could, hey, test 1, 2, find a spot, hang up, place your security surveillance anywhere you like. On the bottom, bring your cable through. Grab your smartphone, PTZ, check out where you want to look, align your camera. A general brief look at this, you could slide and you could adjust your camera and we could watch our pooch over there in case something happens. And we could say, hey, Artemis. And away, you're able to adjust your camera 360 degrees and see what's around. We're looking outside. As you can see, this is a night shot, black and white as it shows, and it's dark outside. We're able to pan up, down, left and right. If we pinch the screen, we should be able to zoom in and out. When it detects you, you can see the 4 infrared lights light up. It gives a notification that somebody is there. And it does a nice job doing its job, surveillance. I hope you enjoy this product if this is something that you're looking for in security. Thank you very much for viewing.